friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are delighted to showcase a stunning collection of White Anarkali designs that are perfect for celebrating Navratri Day 2 in style. White symbolizes purity and serenity, and what better way to embrace the divine energy of Navratri festival than by adorning yourself in these beautiful white anarkalis. We have curated a range of designs that blend traditional elegance with modern aesthetics. Join us as we explore the intricate embroidery, graceful and timeless charm of these white anarkali outfits. Whether you prefer intricate detailing, minimalistic elegance, or a blend of both, you will find the perfect anarkali to enhance your Navratri celebration. Don't miss out this opportunity to make a statement with your outfit on Navratri Day 2. Like, share, and subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Let's radiate purity and grace together. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.